We are building a virtual reality headset, which basically simulates all different kind of conditions visually. So you can simulate some kind of games. It can be used in medical applications, medical surgery applications, military applications. Basically like the Oculus Rift for gaming, but it can be used in a wide range of applications. Mainly for simulation purposes, as you can see here demonstrated. You look up, down, right, left. The screen is basically split into two parts to give a 3D view, so he's actually seeing a 3D image, 3D depths, because every eye is seeing a different picture.
While building the virtual headset, we took every single inch in the design into consideration. We created a very light mounted display. You won't feel anything attached to your head. The main challenge in the design was creating a separator that makes every eye sees a different view of the image, which gives you a full immersive feeling in 3D. The integration between the software and the hardware was very hard, which my teammates made it. The sensor, we installed the sensor at the top of your head to detect your orientation of where your head is looking. So when you turn around, the screen or the landscape turns with you. My teammates will talk to you more about the hardware, the software installed.
We wanted to take the inputs and from the sensor and link it to our screen installed in the device.
My part was mainly to create the hardware, the demo of the headset. I did this with Ahmed Jihad. Our part was to create the headset from the raw materials such as the cartoon, the screen is inside, and the lenses. First we drew the shape on a piece of paper with the appropriate ratios, so we can create the correct distance between the lenses and the screen.
It consists mainly of three parts. The first part is to get the raw data from the sensor and transmitting it to our application. The second part was mainly the serial communication. We need to make an interface between the application and the Arduino, so it can send serial ports with a high baud rate, able to send a lot of bits and data, so it actually be smooth for the motion. The third part was mainly the application itself, where it gets the raw data from, it gets the data mainly from the serial interface port that we did, in order to drive the camera or any object, so it can be controlling an object, a camera, anything depending on what you need. And the graphics part, the sound system part, and we will see the demo.
Here we are illustrating the demo of our virtual reality headset. We use the MPU sensor to map between the tester's head and his place in the virtual reality world. As he moves, we can see that the camera moves. We got the moves, the jack. I got the moves.
Here we demonstrate the real product that we're going to present. We split the screen into two main cameras. If each one see a different view of the views, so you can get a full immersive 3D view in the small screen inside. Here it's tracking the camera, so you can move left, right, you can look up, down.
If you look over here, you will see a 3D. Oh my god, that's so right.
That's awesome.
Yeah.